Angela Carla Orr, with honors, Most Mindful Award. Proud parent, Miss Karina P. Ruiz. Pablo Karen S., with honors, Most Enthusiastic Award. Proud parent, Miss Jocelyn P. Salen. Reyes Angel Vien M., with honors, Most Modest Award. Proud parent, Mrs. Isabel M. Reyes. Dear parents, here we now award the medals to our dear learners. Thank you and congratulations. Next in line, we have Tumawal Marginal C, with high honors, Most Reliable Award. Proud parent, Mr. Jejomar J. Tumawal. Omalio Micaela Irish M., with high honor, Most Confident Award. Proud parent, Mr. and Mrs. Maritas M. Omalio.